What's going on, guys? So for today, we're actually going to do a little bit out of order. We're actually going to pull the interior out of the car. I enlisted the help of my beautiful girlfriend here to help us pull the interior. But we did actually start to pull the motor. We just didn't get to post it yet because our editor is 9 and she has a bedtime. So, and it's a lot of footage, so she didn't get to fully do it. But so first we're gonna actually put up, we have these nice racks over here. So we have some parts down here that we actually did take off the car. I don't want to show you guys too much because it'll be in the next video. But so we want to put at least one of these together so we can get the parts out of the way so that we can pull the interior with no problem. So we're gonna build this quick and then we're gonna get to pulling the interior and we're gonna show you the new interior that we got for the car. Alright guys, so we got one built. We're probably going to add another shelf in between there. I don't think we need all that space, but we'll see for now. We have another one to build. We're not going to build it yet because this is enough to get what we need done. We're going to put the parts on there and then we're going to start pulling the interior. Alright guys, so we got everything loaded on here. So everything's where it should be. Nice and simple. So we're going to dig into the interior now. Where the car is, it's kind of, might be a little tricky to get to, but we'll get it all out on the other side. So we're going to get to it, and then I'll show you the new interior that we have, and then we're going to get to putting the new interior on. I don't know if we'll be able to finish it today, but we'll see. Alright guys, so the interior is finally out of the car. We had a little bit of an issue with so under here. You see that, like the tab that's there, it wasn't coming out, and we were trying to just use like a screwdriver to pry it, and it goes right into that hole right there on each side, and so we had to use the right wrench to get it off. So it was about like a 22, I think we used to get it out. So it finally came out, but that was a little bit harder than it should have been. So now, as you can see, my interior looks jacked, like mice got around to it and things like that. So we're going to clean it up and pull the rest of these electronics out, and then hopefully get to start doing the interior. Alright guys, so she cleaned up the interior nice, and it's looking a lot better than it was for sure. So next step is to get the interior, get this stuff removed. So we'll be taking this stuff off to put the new interior on. So she's got mom duties though, so it's a little hard. So we'll be taking this off. And then the new interior is here.
Woo, look at that.
So that's the front. It's gonna have the GTR logo. It says Garage Active. It's got a nice blue to it. So that's gonna be one of the fronts. I got it for the back. There's matching floor mats. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's done. We're gonna get cracking and hopefully maybe get a front off and maybe start to get situated. Alrighty guys, so we disconnected the top from the bottom half, so that's all set. It's just one little cord here that was being a little pain. You just undo it from there. So now what she's going to do is we have this carpet extractor here, so she's going to clean up the seats super nice, and then we're going to put the new seats on, and they go over these. And they just kind of like, they sit in there nice. So it's a lot simpler than I thought, thankfully. So we don't have to like reupholster. We don't have to take these off, which is nice. So it makes our lives a lot easier, which I'll take it because this thing's going to be a nightmare in other areas. So we're just going to, get to it and clean them up nice with this nice little carpet extractor there. And then we're going to put these on and put them back together, throw them in the car. Let's get to work. Alright, so you see how dirty that was, and she's going to fill up another one so she can finish the back seats. The back seats apparently were really dirty, and I'm sure that one's just as dirty. And then once she's done there, we're going to wrap it up. We had to stop a little bit earlier before because the kids wanted to go places, so we went. But here she comes back, ready to work. I'm putting up the rest of the lights. We have the lights for the garage. We got one, we got two. So we had, my dad's car was in the garage, so we're putting them up 1 and 2, so we'll have some better lighting in here. So she's ready to get back to work, so we're gonna let her go. Alright guys, so she finished all the seats. She's looking a little tired. So, there is everything. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to put all these on, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. It's, of course, not going back in the car yet because we have so much more to do. So, we're going to get out of here. We'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, we're back. So it's the next day. We're going to finish up the seats today. Everything's dry and clean, so we're all good there. So now we're just going to put the new seats on, and hopefully everything will go nice and smooth. We'll take you through the process, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So we're going to get right to it. Alright guys, so you have to poke a hole, get something started and poke a hole in the 4 spots that are here in this middle part. And that goes in here on these. And then you have just this little plastic piece that goes in so that it goes down on it so that it stays. But there's no real holes for it, so you have to just poke them really fast to get them in there. She wanted me to do it. So she's going to get back, we're going to finish, fronts are almost done. Then you got to just do the backs and then we'll be all set. Alright guys, so we're all set. We finally finished it. It's getting dark out, so. But we made it. So here's what they look like. So they're looking pretty nice. We just need to probably tighten them up a little bit more, but there's this one. Yeah, like we need to tighten her up right there. But here's the seats.
Front seats. Got you. They might not know that.
It came out looking nice, so it's a nice little addition to the interior. We got the matching mats to go with it so that they, you know, everything looks nice on the interior. So on the next episode, we're going to finish, you know, pulling the motor and stuff. But we, as I said, we didn't get to finish it, and the editing was taking a while. So we're gonna finish that up, and that'll be up on the next video. I want to give a special shout out to Cass here for giving us a hand with the interior. You guys may see more of her. Who knows? We may throw in more of our cars. We may throw in a bunch of other things. So, with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave us a little comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.